HVAC contractors, are you tired of wasting time on the phone with price shoppers and tire kickers? Your offer is attracting low quality leads. The offer decides the lead quality. Homeowners want clarity, they want savings, and most importantly, they want to trust you. Here are some real offer examples for you to include in your ads and in your website. Financing that feels safe. Example, as low as $89 a month, including urgency in your offers. Limited time only, the offer ends this week. Stack value so waiting feels stupid. Add free maintenance plans, a free indoor air quality check, a smart thermostat upgrade with any install. Remove all their risk, a comfort guarantee, no breakdown guarantee, same day service guarantee. When the offer improves, everything else in your sales pipeline will improve. Conversion, booking, show up rate,